Today I'll give you my review, 3-year review of a SkyJacker 2-inch level kit on a Silverado. I'm just finishing up an oil change here, so I figure it's a good time to do this. All the level kit is this spacer. It's a little bit dirty now, but this spacer that sits between your strut and the lower control arm. And a lot of people will say that this makes it ride a lot rougher, but I didn't really notice too much of a difference. It did lift the front up 2 inches. I measured before, because before it had the nasty factory rake where the front is too low and it looks stupid, and this really fixed that up. Before I put the level kit on, I had scraped my valence and put a little crack in the front of my valence here. It's a bit dirty, covered in bugs and stuff, but yeah, there's a little crack right there. I just bumped a little stump that was sitting in this field I was in. And since installing just a 2-inch level kit on stock tires, I haven't really bumped anything else ever since that. Not that I do any major off-roading with this truck. Next up is a lift kit, hopefully. Some bigger tires and gears. And yes, I had to have it aligned. I had the shop. I bought the level kit for, I think it was $112. And I paid the shop to install it and align it because it was cold outside when I had that done. It was a total of like $300, not too bad. I've had it on for 3 years without issue. So anyone wanting to do something similar or the same, I wouldn't really hesitate at all to do it. Now I know there's the other kits out there, the 2.5 and 3-inch, 3 and 3.5 inch level kits, that most of those sit on top of the coil spring and the strut, in between the frame and the actual strut. And with those, that is such an extreme amount of level kit to put on a truck that you have to order aftermarket upper control arms. With this kit, only 2. I didn't have to order any. I just kept the stock upper control arms. I didn't need to change. The angle's not bad. See, there's my ball joint angle, and it's not bad. I've never had ball joint issues. But you start getting bigger than a 2-inch level kit, like a 2.5 or 3.5 inch level kit, and you're really maxing out that ball joint angle, so you need an aftermarket upper control arm that's meant for it. But with just a 2-inch level kit, you don't have to worry about it. Oh, and one more thing. I got my Flowmaster 40 here that's starting to rust. I've had that. I had to clamp it because the pipe finally rusted. I've had this on here for 4 years. It sounds good. It woke the truck up quite a bit, actually. Really, I like the sound of it. But it's starting to rot out. So I gotta get something else to put on there, and I have those right here. Yeah, so to replace the Flowmaster 40, which I would recommend still, it's been good up till the past couple months here, and it was pretty cheap. So to replace that, I got 2 of these race mufflers. I'm gonna have True Dual 3 inches put on here. I already have the 3rd catalytic converter and resonator deleted, but now I'm just gonna True Dual it into these bad boys right here, and make it super obnoxiously loud. So that's going to be an upcoming video, probably next couple months. Here's a part number for these Black Widow neighbor haters. Here's a part number. I'm really excited about these. Yeah, with these, those cold start videos in a few months are going to be absolutely obnoxious in a good way.
How dare you!